Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F8 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will first need to turn off your device by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time. This brings up our boot options, and here we're just gonna swipe up so the device turns off. Now give it like 5 seconds after the screen turns black just to be certain that it is off, and then hold again power button and volume up at the same time. Now we're gonna hold it. And when you see the POCO logo, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And you can see this takes us to the recovery mode. Now here we have several different options, and we will need to use volume buttons and power button to navigate and select them because you can see touch doesn't work here. So going over the options, we have wipe data, which is basically a factory reset of the device. Connect with Mi Assistant, so just a PC program, restore system, and also repair mode. Now this is the first time I'm seeing these modes right here. There's the 2 second ones on the Xiaomi device, so I have no actual clue what they do, but hey, if you need them, you probably know what they do. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, reboot, confirm it, reboot to system, so confirm once more, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.